Okay, so in this next section we're going to have a look quickly at how we would find and replace data. So first of all, I'm going to open up a new document that we have here. So I'm just going to go to File, and then I'm going to go to Open. I'm going to go to my desktop. So the file is on my desktop and it's in a folder called Word Processing. So I've just gone File, Open. I'm into the Word Processing folder and I'm going to open up this document I have here. It's called Columns. It's just a document with a bit of text in it, just that we can use. I'm going to close out of the navigation pane over here at the left hand side. This is the navigation pane. It just allows you to navigate with the document open. So you can see it's just a document here with different paragraphs in it. There's 6 pages to it, or 5 pages. So what I'm going to do is, on the Home tab, over on the right hand side we have an option for Find. Now we don't want to have to search through a document of this size, so we can use the Find button. Once we click on it, you'll see it'll open up the navigation pane, and it's the results section of it. It gives us a search bar, and if we type in here Spain, you can see it's coming back and telling me that there's 3 results for the SPAIN. So you can see I have it there, Spain, Spain and Spain, and I can click here on the left hand side and I can quickly see where the results are found. Okay, I can also type in different things. If I want to type in there, you can see there's 19 results for the word there right the way through it, and it shows me everywhere that word appears. So you can use it for quickly searching documents for whatever word that you want. The next section what we have is we have what's called replacing. So if you want to replace text with something else, so again on the Home tab over on the right hand side you find and then replace beneath it. I'm going to click on replace and it comes up with this find and replace dialog box here. Now the find and replace dialog box has 2 sections. It is find what and replace with. So I'm going to click in here. It has THEIR in from earlier on when I was searching, but I'm going to type in here Spain, because we know that there's a couple of occurrences of the word Spain in this document. So it's going to find Spain and it's going to replace it with, I'm going to put France in. It's not going to make sense, but it doesn't matter. It's the principle of it that we want to do. There's a more option here which would let you change the case or change the different colours of writing or fonts, but we are more interested in these 4 buttons here. Replace will replace an occurrence of a word, so it finds it and replaces it then. Replace all will just replace all occurrences of the word. So if you've 3 Spain, it will replace it with 3 France. Find next will just allow you to go through it and find documents. I'm going to click on replace all. It's going to come up and say it made 2, and I'll tell you the reason why it made 2 and not 3. I'm going to say yes, and then it'll say it made 3. The reason it only made 2 the second time was because I wasn't clicked at the start of the document. It started halfway down through it, and there was obviously one of the Spains was beforehand. So what I would always do before I start, because remember you'll be starting this from scratch, you won't be in the situation where I was. Click at the start of the document and then go to replace, and you would type in Spain and France, and what it does is it searches from there down through the document, so you may as well be started at the very start. So that's the replace all option. So that's find and replace. Very handy if you want to quickly find stuff or if you want to quickly change text out with other bits of text.